going to show you how to put a brake free on this Icon Airflight without a template. We're going to take our alcohol wipe, make sure everything's nice and clean here. What I like to do is take the mount, put it inside the light, lock it in place. That way you can visually see where you're going to line up your light, get a good idea where it's going to sit. Peel off the adhesive backer, line it up just like you had it. Give it a good firm press. About 10-15 seconds on to do it. Pop it off. You got a perfectly installed mount. And that's it, guys. It's a brake free on your helmet without the template.
Brake free, a smarter way to be seen.